Can two adjectives be together? The answer is yes. In this video, you are going to learn how to use conjunctions and or but to connect two adjectives of positive and negative personality. Positive personality. Happy, happy. Friendly, friendly. Clever, clever. Generous, generous. Kind, kind. Polite, polite. Pretty, pretty. Handsome, handsome. Hardworking, hardworking. Loyal, loyal. Honest, honest. Punctual, punctual. Negative personality. Sad or unhappy. Sad, unhappy. Mean, mean. Angry, angry. Shy, shy. Miserable, miserable. Lazy, lazy. Ugly, ugly. Worried, worried. Impolite, impolite. Dishonest, dishonest. Selfish, selfish. Late, late. All right, you have learned some of the positive and negative adjectives about personality. Let us connect those adjectives using the conjunctions and or but. We use and to link two positive or negative ideas. For example, kind and happy, handsome and polite, kind, happy, handsome, polite, or the positive adjectives of personality. Another examples, ugly and mean, lazy and shy, ugly, mean, lazy, and shy are negative adjectives of personality. We use but to link a positive idea with a negative idea. Take note that we used a comma before but. For example, pretty but lazy. Pretty is a positive adjective of personality, while lazy is the negative adjective of personality. Handsome but mean. Handsome is a positive adjective. Mean is the negative adjective. Another examples. Ugly but generous. Ugly is a negative adjective of personality, while generous is a positive adjective of personality. Shy but clever. Shy is a negative adjective. Clever is a positive adjective of personality. Take note that we use comma before the conjunction but. It's time to practice! Jenny is happy and cheerful. Jamila is miserable and shy. Sandra is pretty but mean. Philip is ugly but cheerful. Dave and Isa are kind and generous. Joey is handsome but lazy. Write complete sentences using and or but in the correct place. 1. Catty, friendly, shy. Catty is friendly and shy. 2. Jenny, mean, miserable. Jenny is mean and miserable. 3. Mary, pretty, mean. Mary is pretty but mean. What about number 4 and the rest of the numbers? Write complete sentences using and or but in the correct place. You can also write your answer in the comment below. Underline the correct answer. 1. Joey is kind but worried. 2. She's often late and tired. What about number 3 and the rest of the numbers? Write your answer in the comment below. This time, let us use conjunctions and or but in our conversation about positive and negative personality. Yes, I know Mr. Cruz. He is happy and clever. Diana is my best friend. You know, she is always sad but generous. What about this and the rest of the words? Use the following personality to make a conversation using the conjunctions and or but. You can also write your conversation in the comment below.